Hello friends, welcome to my channel Backend Bytes by Pratik. So in this video we will discuss more about Oracle SQL. So first of all we will discuss about what do we mean by special operator. So special operators are nothing but the operators which are used for perform pattern matching, null check and any comparison. In that case we use special type of operators. So Oracle SQL provides 11 important special type of operator, that is in operator, not in operator, between and not between and operator, like operator, not like operator, is null operator, is not null operator, all operator, then any operator, then exist operator. These are the important 11 operators, special type of operators that are provided by Oracle SQL. So in this video we will discuss only in operator. So in operator is a special type of operator. It is used to compare column value with a list of value. It avoids of writing multi-equality condition by using OR operator. Means in operator can perform in two conditions. If we compare column value with a list of value, in this case we use in operator. If we write more than one query by using OR operator, to avoid this condition we also use in operator. So syntax of in operator, that is column, then in operator, then value list. Like example, like if you want to calculate the salary 3800, in that case we use salary in 3800. So to perform, if to work with in operator, we want to follow two important condition, that is if condition one is if column value is in list, then condition is true. If column value is not in the list, then condition is false. So how in operator performs, to understand we have take some important examples. So by understanding this example, we understand easily how in operator performs. So our first query, that is display the employee record whose salary is 3000 or 800. Here we take OR operator first, then execute special type of in operator. So here why we can take OR operator means a employee worked in the company takes salary either 3000 or 800. Here end operator cannot perform. Here only OR operator perform and special type of in operator perform. I worked on both operator. So we write like this: select star from EMP where salary equal to 3000 or salary equal to 800. So we write like this to execute the query and to get the required result as a output. In another way, we also write by using special type of in operator. So how we write like this: select star from EMP where job in where salary in 3000 comma 800, then semicolon. So to write like this we also get same result. So we can take another example, that is display all managers and clock records. So here we use only special type of in operator. So how we write like this? We can write like in this way, like select star from EMP where job in manager comma clerk. Job in manager and clerk. So we write like this in this way to get the required result as output. So we can execute another query, that is display the employee records whose employee numbers are 7499 7698 7900. Here we can perform this question by using in operator, special type of in operator. So how we write like this? We write like in this way, like select star from EMP where EMP NO in operator 749976987900. So we can write like this way to get the required result as a out. Now we execute another query, that is display the employee records whose names are Alan, Scott and Adams. Here we also can execute query by using in operator, special type of in operator. So how we write like this? So we write like in this way, like select star from EMP where EMP where ename in Allen, Scott, then Adams. So we can write like in this way to get required result as a output. For better understanding, we have to take another example, that is display the employee record who are working in department number 10 and 30. So here we can execute this query by using in operator, special type of in operator. So how we write like this? We write like in this way, like select star from EMP where department number in 10, 30. So we write like in this way to get required result as out. Now we have to check this query are practically executed or not and showing the required result as a output or not. For showing this query to get required result as a output, we have to open SQL plus. So open SQL plus. Run SQL command line. Then connect. Then enter username like system. Then password 1234. Successfully connected. Now set pages 200 line. Set lines 200 line. Now we have to check employee table is present or not in our database. So select star from EMP. So successful data showing and also present in our database. Now we perform our query for execution. That is display the employee salary is 3000 or 800. So we write like this by using special type of input, that is select star from EMP where salary equal to 3000 or salary equal to 800. So three rows are selected, means three employees worked in a company with salary 3000 or 800. So to showing that same result, we use special type of in operator, that is select star from EMP where salary in 3000 800. Hit enter. So three rows are selected, means three employees are worked in a company with salary 3000 or 800. Now we have to execute the another query, that is display all managers and clerk records. So we write like this by using special type of in operator, that is select star from EMP where job in manager, comma clerk. Hit enter. 7 rows are selected. Means 7 employees are worked in a company with salary manager and clerk. Manager, comma clerk. Now we have to execute the next query, that is display the employee record. Whose employee number are 749976987900. So we write like this, like select star from EMP, where employee number EMP number in 749976987900. Then hit enter. 3 rows are selected, means 3 employees are worked in the company with employee number 749976987900. Now we have to execute next query, that is display the employee records whose names are Alan, Scott, Adam, Alan, Scott and Adam. So we have to write like this, select star from EMP, where ename in Alan, Scott, Adam, Alan, Scott and Adam. Right, like Adams, Adams, Adams. Then close the bracket, then semicolon, then hit enter. 3 rows are selected. Means 3 employees are worked in a company with name Alan, Scott, and Adams. We have to execute the next query, that is display the employee record who are working in a working in department number 10 and 30. So we write like this, like select star from EMP, where department number in 10, 30. Hit enter. 10 rows are selected, means 10 employees are worked in a company with department number, salary 10, 30. So our theory and practically matched. So we have to we get our required result as output. Now we have to discuss another important special type of operator, that is not in operator. So not in operator is exactly opposite to the in operator. So if column value is in list, condition is true in operator. But in case of not in operator, if column value is not in list and condition is true, otherwise condition is false. So how not in operator perform? For that reason, we have take two important examples. By using this example, you will easily understand how not in operator performs. So display all employee records except department number 10 and 30. In the previous query, we have discussed select department number 10 and 30. Here in only 10 and 30, here excluding 10 and 30. How we write like this? We can write like in this way, like select star from EMP, where department number not in 10, 30. So we have to write like this to get required result as out. Now we execute the another query. How it performs? Display all employee records except manager and clerk. So we want to display all the job position of the employee except manager and clerk. So we write like in this way, like select star from EMP, where department where e name, where job position, where job not in department not in job position like manager, comma clerk. select star from EMP where job not in manager or clerk. We have to write like this to get required result as a output. Now we have to check these two queries are practically executed and showing the required result or not. For that reason, we have to open SQL plus. So open SQL plus. Now we have to execute this query, that is select star from EMP where department number not in 10 10 comma 30 10 comma 30 close bracket semicolon, hit enter. 11 rows are selected. Here we have to easily, here we show all the department number are showing except 10 and 30. 20 20 20 20 30 for 12 45 22 23 25 department numbers are displayed, but except means not showing department number 10 and 30. Now we have to execute another query, that is display all employee records except manager and clerks. So we have to write like this, like select star from EMP where job not in manager comma clerk semicolon, then hit enter. 14 rows are selected means 14 employees are worked in a company with job position except manager and clerk. Here you can easily see salesman, analyst, president, salesman, analyst, software developer, mechanical engineer, developer, software tester, software engineer, software developer. Job positions are showing, but not showing job position manager and clerk, because we can take not in operator except manager and clerk. So our theory and practical successfully matched. So in this video, we will successfully completed in operator. In the next video, we will discuss more about special operator, that is between and, not between and another operator of special type of operators. So that is enough for today. So please watch this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.